Hey, James. James, how's lunch? You look like you're running low on food. Would you like some more? James? James Wesley. Would you like more? Yeah, more. That's right. That's a sign for more. Here you go. Mmm. Mmm. Is that good stuff? Champion! 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 Yay! Yeah, you're the champion! Ooh. Mmm. So how do you like your chicken? Mmm. A little dry? Here. Giuseppe. Oh, I guess that says that you're not thirsty. What do you think you're doing? James. Hi. Hi. No thanks, huh? Mmm. What else? Yeah. Champion! Yay!